Hi, welcome to Paybooks. In this video, we will see how to release the stop pay salaries. You can release the salaries for all those employees for whom the salary payment was stopped, either stop payment or through stop payment until release. On the home page, click Payroll, scroll down to Utilities, click Release Salary, select the action, select the month from the drop-down, click Release Payment. Select the option from the filter, which is either stop payment or stop payment until release. Select the month. The details of the employees for whom the stop payment has been made will be displayed. Select the employee and click Release. You will get the message Payment Released Successfully. Under Stop Payment Until Release, the arrears will have to be calculated since payment was paused for the past months. You can either use Release with Arrears or Release without Arrears. Please note the arrears can be processed by clicking on Payroll. Under Utilities, click on Process Arrears. Click on Process Arrears and the arrears that has been processed will be considered in that month's payroll. If you want to revoke the release, you can select the employee and click Rollback. Once you confirm the rollback, the release action will be revoked and the employee will again be reflected in the stop payment list. To release for multiple employees, click Import, download the template, update the details and save the file. Click Choose File. Once the file has been selected, click Import and your file will be uploaded. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.